Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully the lighting's not too bad. I am filming pretty much in the middle of the night. It's the only time I can film. That is life with two young kids. So everything is with artificial lighting, but hopefully things still look okay. And if it works out, this will make filming videos so much easier. So I wanted to do a quick Zenpop unboxing. I just got the February box today. Although I think this video is going out probably in a couple weeks because I just uploaded January's unboxing video. So I don't want to like upload too many videos at once. I just don't have that ability to upload that frequently just yet. So I just wanted to make sure that it's spaced out. But I really love this cozy artwork. I don't know the artist, but I love this artwork. It's very, very cozy. So, it's all like a bird themed box this month. So let's just get right into it. A two-way clip. Oh, okay. I'm like, what makes it two-way? Let me show you. Basically, I think you can twist it. So you can go this way or this way. So I guess there's two ways. Sideways, this ways. That's kind of cool. I don't know if there's a functional benefit to it being two ways. But that is pretty cool, and I'll probably just throw this into my, we have like a little drawer filled with little clips that we use for food and stuff like that, so that would be really handy. Then we have, okay, I used to have a ton of these, and I think they ended up drying out because I've had them for years, but it's basically a stamp pad, turquoise color. I wonder if this, oh yes, and then it comes the stamp. I'm like, surely it had to come with a stamp, right? So I'm not sure what the design of the stamp is. Oh, it's like, is it like, oh sorry, that's the problem with artificial lights. It's like if you have it in one angle, it's like completely washes it out. It looks like little swans in a lake. I'll try this out at the end of the video. As well as this, yes, the pen. Okay, it's got all this like, it has all these like cardboard bits, paper bits in it, and I thought maybe that was the design. I was like, that's a very unique design, but no, it's just packaging on it. But this is the Uni Jetstream pen. I've tried this a million times, and light touch ink. I have so many of these pens, and if you follow me for any amount of time, you know that I've used these to death, but I'm gonna use it, try it out anyways for the sake of the video. Then we have some sticker seals. Oh, I love these. They're so cute. Let me, oh, okay. This is actually better. I was going to open them up, but to be honest, you can't get a better view than this. Got the night sky, little birds, snowbirds, that's so cute. Snowflakes and a little snow globe. Love these so much. Then die cut stand message pad. I don't know why, but I kind of imagine these being so good. Like if you worked in an office, like proper dedicated office desk, and I say that because at my job we have flexi desks just because we do work from home quite a bit, so that is part of the reason. But I imagine that you could leave these on your desk. I don't know why, I don't think people do that, but I just imagine a scenario where you leave it on your desk, and when people have a message for you, rather than using Slack or email, for some reason they would just take your notepad, write it, leave it on your desk, and then you could go through your messages afterwards. I don't know, I just think the concept's kind of cute. It's really cool, but no one would do it. So it's basically a pad of these. I'm gonna take one out. They're quite thick, and you can write a message here, and then you just kind of pop this bird out and just fold it on the dotted lines here, and then you just leave it on someone's desk. How cool is that? That is, you could use this for name tags and stuff like that if you had like a dinner party or something like that. That is very cool. I don't know what I'd use it for, but I'm keeping it because it's such a cool concept, and I love how animated this bird is. Then we have some post-it notes, just little post-it notes, similar design, two little birds, and then a lone bird. And then finally, oh no, not finally, spoke too soon, notebook, A5 size notebook with the same theme, lined, beautiful book. A little bit of a, I don't know, like a dark light, like a maybe muted dark orange color. And then we have these stickers. I'm gonna open these up. Just want to see what type of stickers they are. They, you know what? I think they're plastic. No, they're like paper. They're like almost like a thicker washi paper feel. But yes, anyways, it'll be easier to see if I take it out of the packaging because the plastic, you get so much reflection. But these are such beautiful stickers. All right, let's go test out that Stampin' Pen. Let's test out the pen first. That's just the easiest. It's a, I think it's a 0.5, just a gel pen, standard blue gel pen. Blue, what am I saying? I say blue because I see the color blue, but it's 0.5, black. I don't know why it says light touch ink. Dries really fast. Maybe that's the reason it says that. All right, let's try the stamp. I'm actually really excited to try this out. I haven't done stamping in so long now. I used to be really interested in stamps, and then I just could not be bothered because it's a little bit more time consuming. Okay, so let's get this even. Oh, how cute. Yeah, in my experience, you need to, if you want even coverage, you have to go in each time. So cute. Yeah, okay, so that's everything in February's Zenpop box. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.